And today's recipe is no yeast pizza dough. In a bowl, add 332 grams of 00 flour, 108 grams of water, and mix the ingredients together. Cover and leave it to rest for 1 hour. Add 20 grams of water and dump out onto the counter. Work the dough. Add 8 grams of cooking salt and work until it comes together. Leave it to rest for 22 hours at room temperature and chill in the fridge between 24 and 72 hours. Divide the dough into 2 pieces. Transfer to a cake mold greased with olive oil and leave it to proof for about 5 hours. If you like this video,